Hello, Coach Holmes here, and today we're going to be talking about exterior and interior triangles. Okay, so basically, just to let y'all know, if I were to extend the line from each side of the triangle, the angles that are outside here are what we call exterior angles. So any angle outside of the triangle where we extend the line is an exterior angle. Any angles inside, obviously there are interior angles. Anything inside is interior, anything outside is exterior. Okay? So this is to be clear of which one is which. However, if we were to add up all the angles, if we add up all the angles together, if we add up all the angles of an interior angle, it'll actually give us 180 degrees. So we know the interior sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. However, if we take the sum of every exterior angle, it'll add up to 360 degrees. Kind of unusual, but it does work out. So anytime if I have three exterior angles, they're going to add up to 360 degrees. Now, however, there is a theorem that describes exterior angles, okay? And there's something unique about it that always seems to work out. It's called the exterior angle theorem. So what it is that the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two non-adjacent interior angles. So basically, if I look at this example, I have these two angles that are non-adjacent to this exterior angle. But what's interesting is that they actually add up to this exterior angle. That's something unique about it. It's something that always seems to be happening. And it doesn't matter if I extend the angles here, because this will add up to these two, and then this will add up to these two. So it doesn't necessarily matter which type of angles, what exterior angles we have. Any exterior angles will add up to the two non-adjacent angles. And that's the key. It has to be non-adjacent, which means the two angles that do not touch this exterior angle. So if I were to solve for x, for example, if I want to solve for this x, I know that the sum of x and 70 will give me 2x minus 5. Okay? So if I set it up accordingly like this, all I have to do, in this case, is subtract x from both sides. So I subtract x, this cancels out. 70 equals x minus 5. Now I gotta move this 5 to the other side. So if I add 5 to both sides, I get 75 equals x. So basically x equals 75. So I know that if I want to look for the angles, I know this x right here is 75 degrees. Now, I could easily figure out now, if I know what x is, I can go ahead and replace x with 75. So 2 times 75 is 150 minus 5, 125. So this exterior angle is 145 degrees. And if I want to make sure if I got it right, I can add 75 to 70, and that gives me 145. And that's if I want to make sure if I got everything right. So the x is end up being 75. This angle is 75, and this angle, the exterior angle, is 145. So one of the things we got to make sure is that the exterior angles adds up to the two non-adjacent angles. Thank you and have a good day.